We're in Mammoth Lakes in Mono County, a good 5 hours away from CalVet headquarters in Sacramento. CalVet is everywhere. We go to every county, every city throughout the state, making sure veterans know about the benefits that they may have earned through their military service, connecting them with community resources, and delivering programs and services to them where they live.
I've been retired and raising grandchildren, but I came today to find out what other job opportunities might be for someone at my age and qualifications. And this seminar was extremely helpful from many people who were participating here. And I really thank them, job hunting and everything else.
If you didn't catch us this time in Mammoth Lakes, we'll be in Fresno on August 25th and in Monterey on September 22nd. We hope to see you there.